Is the Oersted experiment concluded? Oersted experiment conclude that when current is passed through a conductor, magnetic field is produced. Magnetic field means it is dealt with the magnet. The first thing is knowing that what is magnet. Magnet is a material which can attract the iron, cobalt, nickel like substances towards it. Actually, the magnet is also known as the lodestone, which is given by the Chinese. This is known as lodestone, that is the leading stone, that is the which shows the direction, because when a magnet is suspended freely, then it always aligns itself in the north-south direction. So it is also known as the lodestone or the leading stone. Magnet is of two types. One is the artificial magnet and other is the natural magnet. Natural magnet is the magnet or the magnetite ore from which the iron is extracted, and it has very less property of the magnetism. And the second one is the artificial magnet, that is you can see in the form of the bar magnet, horseshoe magnet, electromagnet. These are the examples of the artificial magnet, that is they are made by using the ferromagnetic materials. What are ferromagnetic materials? Those materials which have the highest or the maximum property of the magnetism, that is the iron, cobalt and nickel. They have the strongest property of the magnetism. Now we will see the properties of the magnet. First, this is a magnet. First property is magnet attracts the objects like iron, cobalt, nickel. It attracts the objects made up of iron, nickel and cobalt. Iron, nickel and cobalt are known as the ferromagnetic material. This is the magnet. North and south poles are there, and you can see here that the iron pins are attracted towards it. That is, it attracts the materials made up of iron, nickel and cobalt. And iron, nickel and cobalt are known as the magnetic materials. What are magnetic materials? Those materials which are attracted by the magnet are known as the magnetic materials. And the property of the magnetic materials is that when it is placed near the magnet, like the iron or any iron pin, if it is kept near the magnet, then it acquires the property of the magnetism. That it means that it can attract other pieces of the iron or the iron pins towards it, and as the magnet is removed from its place, then it started losing its property. This is the property of the magnetic materials. Then what is the basic difference magnet and magnetic materials? That magnet has the magnetic property forever, but the magnetic materials are attracted by the magnet and they have the magnetic property only when it is placed near the magnet or when it is kept in touch with the magnet. This is the first property of the magnet. Then the second property. The second property is that a magnet has the two poles. One is the north pole and second one is the south pole. Third property. The third property is that the magnetic poles always exist in pairs. That is, even you break the magnet in any pieces, they cannot be separated into the pairs. That is, the north pole and the south pole always exist in pairs. Then the fourth property. Fourth property is that suppose this is a magnet, bar magnet, it is suspended freely from a rigid support, and if you rotate it in any direction, it will align itself always in the north-south direction. That is, its north pole always direct towards the north geographical north and the south pole always direct towards the south geographical south. The next property. This is the one bar magnet and second bar magnet is there. You can see that the north pole of one magnet is kept in front of the north pole of the another magnet, and they are repelling each other. That is, they are pushing each other. That means that the like poles repel each other. Next property is that unlike poles attract each other. When a north pole of one magnet is kept in front of the south pole of the another magnet, then they are stick together. That is, they are attracting each other. It means that unlike poles attract each other. And the last property is that if you place iron fillings near the magnet, then the maximum number of the iron fillings will be attracted towards the poles. And you can see from this figure that the iron fillings are not near the center of the magnet. That is, the maximum strength of the magnetic field is obtained near the poles, not in the center or the middle of the magnet. That is, the maximum magnetic strength can be placed at the poles.